How to repair a water heater. It depends, number one, on what kind of water heater you have. If you have an electric water heater, first of all, shut the breakers off. Once you shut the breakers off, then you can go in, you can check the water heater, you can check the thermostats, you can check the elements. If all those check fine, turn it back on. Check your power at the water heater. Do you have 240 volts? There's a lot of different things you can check, but if you check things properly, you can find out what problem your water heater has, and then you'll know what repair needs to be made. Gas water heaters are a little bit different. Number one, do you have gas coming in? To make a water heater repair, the first thing I tell people is, look, turn the water heater off. Leave it off 5 or 10 minutes. That lets it do a reset in your gas control valve. Now, when you turn it on, will the pilot light light? If it will light but it won't stay lit, that can tell you it can either be the control valve, the thermocoupling, or the burner assembly itself. Not sure yet. You'll have to go in and test each piece. Water heaters are relatively easy to work on. The biggest two things to remember are the gas water heater is gas. Be careful with that. That can be dangerous. Electric water heaters, do not drain it down with the power on, and do not power it up before you've got it filled back up with water. You'll blow those elements up and they're no good. You're going to be able to get them out, you're going to be able to replace them, but remember to save that step. Don't turn on the electricity until it's full of water. That is the main thing you need to know about repairing a water heater.